Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Trump announces lower-cost Gonal fertility drug deal with the MD Serono. Break and number 148, the Trump administration announced that Boston-based drug maker EMD Serono will lower the price of one of its leading fertility drugs as part of push to make in vitro fertilization, IVF, more affordable. Break the company's drug Gonal, which helps stimulate ovulation, will soon be available at a discount through Trump Rx, a federal website expected to launch in 2026. The site will allow patients to purchase prescription drugs directly from manufacturers, officials said. Break and number 156, we want to make it easier for all couples to have babies, raise children and start the families they have always dreamed about, and number 157, President Donald Trump said. The move follows an executive order Trump signed in February aimed at lowering the cost of IVF treatment. While it falls short of his campaign pledge to make IVF free, it's the third pharmaceutical pricing deal announced by the administration in recent weeks. Fertility drugs like Gonal can cost patients thousands of dollars per IVF cycle, and many couples need multiple cycles to get pregnant. EMD Serono's medications, which also include other hormone-based fertility treatments, will be offered at lower prices through the government partnership. The company and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, also plan to work together to expedite approval of an EMD Serono fertility drug used in Europe, called Bergoveris. And number 156, there are going to be a lot of Trump babies, and number 157, said Dr. Mehmet, head of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS. And number 156, that's probably a good thing. And number 157. The administration also introduced new federal guidance that will allow companies to offer fertility coverage separately from major medical plans, similar to how dental or vision insurance works. Trump said this change will make it easier for companies to expand family-building benefits and help more people afford fertility treatments. Speak. And number 156, any initiative that addresses the cost of drugs will have a material positive impact on the overall cost of the fertility cycle, and number 157, Roger Shedlin, CEO of fertility benefits company Win, told the Associated Press. Patients also appreciated the step. Corinne O'Brien, 39, of Birmingham, Alabama, who gave birth to her daughter in June after 3 IVF cycles, said each round cost of treatment her between $1,000 and $5,000 just for the medications. She told the Associated Press that covering the whole IVF cycle and number 156, ultimately would be a game changer for families, and number 157, but helping cover the cost of drugs and number 156, is progress and is much appreciated. And number 157. Trump has faced pressure to support access to IVF following the U.S. Supreme Court's reversal of Roe v. Wade in 2022. The ruling led to new abortion restrictions in several states, some of which raised concerns about IVF access. Asked about opposition from religious conservatives who object to IVF, Trump said he wasn't aware of those views, adding, and number 156, I'm just looking to do something because, pro-life, I think this is very pro-life. And number 157. And number 156, you can't get more pro-life than this, and number 157, he said. Sources: The Associated Press, October 16, 2025. Disclaimer: statistical data in medical articles provide general trends and do not pertain to individuals. Individual factors can vary greatly. Always seek personalized medical advice for individual healthcare decisions. And copy, 2025 Health Day. All rights reserved. Ad as a preferred source on Google. Read this next: ketogenic diet may protect against prenatal stress, Study finds. Break and number 148, a high-fat, low-carbohydrate ketogenic keto diet may help protect young animals from the lasting effects of stress experienced before birth. New. Break increasing number of pregnancies affected by heart complications. Break Thursday, October 9, 2025 and number 148, heart-related health problems might affect as many as 1 in 7 pregnancies, even among women without any prior heart disease, a new study. Break wildfire smoke might damage male fertility. Break Thursday, October 9, 2025 and number 148, wildfire smoke could be damaging men's fertility, according to a new study. Key measures of less than /speak sperm quality appeared to drop among dozens of. Break more news resources for MedWatch Drug Alerts Daily Med News for health professionals New drug approvals New drug applications Drug shortages Clinical trial results Generic drug approvals Subscribe to our newsletter. Break whatever your topic of interest, subscribe to our newsletters to get the best of drugs.com in your inbox, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.